Hey guys, today I'm back with these Elf the movie inspired nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So for my ring finger, I started off with painting a clear polish on my magic mat, and while that was drying I just stamped this New York skyline in black. It's from the MoU London Touristo 2 plate. And then taking just one of the buildings, I squeezed the stamper and stamped it onto the mat to make it smaller. So I just stamped the building next to it again, and same again, squeezing it and stamping it onto the mat. And then the little Statue of Liberty, same again, squeezing it to make it small and stamping it on the mat. Then with some acrylic paint, I'm just going around it to create the snow globe to create the dome shape. And then I applied this glitter polish that looks like snow, and then this blue to cover it. Then on my finger I'm actually painting with this blue hollow. It's from Super Chic Lacquer. And then once that decal was dry, I just peeled it off my mat with some tweezers, and then just cut off the bottom bit with some scissors. And then I applied some foil glue to my nail and just stuck that decal to the other end of my stamper, but I forgot to show that, and just stamped it on my nail. It was easier for the placement when I put it on the stamper. And just rubbing it down. And go back in with some acrylic paint, I'm just filling in the dark spots, and with some acetone I just cleaned up the decal. Then back with that same blue polish, I just painted my middle finger. And then because I'm using acrylic paint, I applied a quick dry top coat. Then once that was dry, I went in with some acrylic paint and painted a little mustache at the bottom of the nail to be his shoes. And then a line in between for his legs. And then just did the outside lines of his legs. And then a little curve at the top of my nail for his coat. And then using a toothpick, I just digged out where his feet separate, so cutting up the mustache. And then I went in with this yellow polish for his tights, and a green polish for his coat. And then once that was all dry, I just went back in with some acrylic paint. If you wanted to be cautious, you could have applied a top coat here just in case you made some mess, but I risked it a little bit and luckily it turned out alright. And on my index and pinky finger, I just painted yellow. And then I applied some liquid latex around my nail. And then with a green glitter polish, I'm just dry brushing a little bit of the glitter at my cuticle first. And then with a sponge, I'm going in with more of that glitter to create a glitter gradient. I'm still not very good at these, but I'm going to keep persisting until I am good at them. And while that glitter is still wet, I just peeled off the cuticle liquid latex and applied a top coat. And then I applied a smudge resistant top coat to the rest of the nails. And there you go, these Elf inspired nails. I love Elf, it's definitely one of my favourite Christmas movies. Always makes me laugh at the same parts. If you like these nails, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!